Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will discuss about scatter plot in MatplotLib. So scatter plots are used to plot data points on horizontal or vertical axis in attempt to show how much one variable is affected by another. Okay, so each row in the data table is represented by a maker. This maker actually means to the position depends on its values. So let's go to the code. So here I draw the two axes in respect to two axes. That's why I need to take x-axis. So x equal I need to take that some data points. So I take 6, 8, 9, 14, 16. Okay. And now I will take y-axis value. Y equal, let's say this 56, 78, 65, 79, 88. Okay. Now I'll plot a scatter plot. That's why I need to take plt dot scatter. And here I define x, comma y, comma c equal. C it means to color, so I want to take red. Okay. Now I want to show the plot. That's why I need to do command plt dot show. Okay. Now I execute this shell. Let's see. 6 and y must be same size. Okay, I made a mistake. That's I need to do the same size of both array. Just okay, I will take it 99. Now okay, that is the plot what I want to show you by using MatplotLib. So that's how you can draw a scatter plot in MatplotLib at any data point. You can analyze this on it. So thank you everyone. See you in next tutorial.